Welcome everyone, it's Sherry Carroll for SimonsSaysStamp.com, and I'm here to do our reveal and inspiration of our Totally Unforgettable card kit. This is a really fun card kit for your summer card making, and I'm going to start off with the 6x8 stamp set, and this is called Totally Unforgettable. And it has so many cute frogs and also has your lily pads and cattails along with some really funny messages that you can mix and match together. Also in this kit is a Simon Says Stamp Pinpoint Starlets, and this is a 4.5 by 6.5 embossing folder. I have done a full letterpress and I've just inked up the one side that's smooth, put my paper in and ran it through my die cut machine, and it gives me that really nice green background with the raised white design. We've created a stencil to coordinate with your stamps and papers. So you have your waterline at the bottom, your clouds at the top, and then you have lily pads and flowers so you can build a frog pond. Next up, we have 12 6x6 papers for you, and these are custom papers by Photoplay. There are many mix and match patterns that you can create your backgrounds with, like gingham, and then also ladybugs, some grass, and this adorable frog pattern that goes really well with the stamp set. Little tiny dots, and also a flower pattern on white, a navy blue sheet with tone-on-tone scallops in a pattern going across. Also a nice diagonal stripe and another sheet of the frogs. And I also want to highlight that the bottom strip is extra, so that's about a 6.5-inch sheet. To go with your frogs, we're also including a bag of the googly eyes, and these are perfect size to go with your stamps. We're also including a bag of Trinity Stamps frog embellishments, and these are super cute. There's little flowers, there's also frog faces, and it almost looks like the sprinkles that you would put on donuts as well. If you like to make shaker cards, we're including a sheet of acetate. This is heavy duty and not heat resistant. And we're also including a sheet of Doris adhesive strips. These are really thin and they're perfect for making your shaker cards so you can lift your acetate off from your sequins and embellishments. We're including 2 envelopes in this kit, soft navy and lemon chiffon, and those both have the peel away adhesive so you don't have to lick them to stick them. The cardstocks for this kit is Simon Says Stamp Navy, Lemon Chiffon, 110-pound Nina, and 65-pound Gamma Green. To hold everything together, we're also including the Simon Says Stamp zipper pouch, and we've made this large enough so you can store your papers and all the contents of your kit together. So that's it for the reveal part, and up next is some inspiration from our designers. I'll start off with Nina Trapani's card, where she stenciled a background of the clouds and then used her stamps to create a layered scene for her frog. Cindy Norberg stamped, colored, and cut out her frog and ladybug, then created a nice underwater scene using the waves from the stamp set on vellum. Callie Person created an ink-blended background and then used her stamps that she colored and cut out and stacked them together to create her pond. Keisha Charles created a panel in the center of some of that pattern paper to where the butterflies are flying around the frog's head. And finally, a card from Kathy Zelsky where she did some light coloring for the frog and topped him with a crown. I hope you've enjoyed the reveal and inspiration for our Totally Unforgettable card kit from Simon Says Stamp. Be sure to check our blog post for additional inspiration, and as always, thanks so much for watching.